Hello. Thank you for downloading the Localmrkt app. Today we will see how you can add an item for sale on the Localmrkt app. To add an item, start the application by tapping the icon. You will be shown a list of items that you are currently selling. Now to add a new item, click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will take you to the add item screen. The first detail that you have to enter is the title of the product. Today we will be adding some homemade cakes. So I will type homemade cakes as the title of the item that I'm creating. Next, you have to enter the description of the item. You can add appropriate description for the item that you are adding. I will add a very simple description for the item that I'm adding right now. Once the title and description are added, click the next button to go to the next screen. Now here we will provide multiple details of the item. We start by selecting category of the item. Since I'm adding cakes, I will select baked item as the category. You can select a category that is appropriate for the item that you're adding. If there are no categories available that match the item that you are selling, you can always select other as the category. Next, we select our delivery area. I am capable of delivering the cakes only within my city. So I will select within city. The other option available is within state. So if you are selling an item that you can deliver within your state, you can select within state. I'm going to select within city. Next, we define the item units that we want to sell. To add item unit, click the add unit button. So the first information you add is the name of your item. So now I want to sell two types of cakes, a chocolate cake and strawberry cake. So first I will add the chocolate cake. To do that, I will add chocolate cake as the title of the item. Now I sell my chocolate cake in 1 kilogram quantity. So I will select kilogram as my unit type. You can select an appropriate unit type for the item that you are adding. So let us say if you are selling an item like a sari or a gift box, then you can select number as a unit type. So you can say, one sari will cost so and so rupees. Since I am selling by weight, I will select kilogram. For the unit quantity, I will enter 1 because I sell my chocolate cake in 1 kilogram quantity. For the unit price, I will specify the price of 1 kilogram chocolate cake that I sell. So let's say 550 rupees. So once I have entered the detail for chocolate cake, I will say save. And as you can see, the item unit has been added. Next, let us add the strawberry chocolate cake item. So again, click the add item button. Enter the title of the item. Here I am going to say strawberry chocolate cake as the title. Now I sell strawberry chocolate cake in 500 gram quantity. So for the unit type, I will select gram. For the unit quantity, I will say 500 because I'm selling my strawberry chocolate cake in 500 gram quantity. For the unit price, I will specify the unit price of 500 grams of strawberry chocolate cake. So let's say 375 rupees. So again, after entering all the details, I will say save. So both the sub items that I'm selling under my homemade cakes have been added. Next, we will add the pictures of the item. Now, it is very important that you add pictures for your item because that is what the buyers will see, and the pictures have to be attractive for them to look at. For best results, we suggest that you take square pictures. They will show up nicely on the app as well as on the web. So you can click the add image button, and you can either take a photo from the camera of your phone, or you can choose an existing photo from the gallery that exists on your phone. I'll be choosing photos from the gallery, so I will click the choose existing photo option. I will go to the gallery and I will select the chocolate cake and the strawberry chocolate cake that I am selling. So now, as you can see, both the item units are added, their corresponding photos have been added. Click the next to go to the summary screen. Now here you have to validate all the data that you have entered. So the title of the item, the description of the item, category of the item, your delivery area that you are servicing, and the location of the item. This will depend on your current location. You will be able to see all the item units and the corresponding images that you have added. Now, one detail that I have missed out is that all our cakes are eggless. So let me go back and modify. So this is how, while you are creating an app, you can always modify the details of your item. So I've added the required details. I will go to the summary screen. Now I'm happy with the details that I have entered. So I will say save item, and the item will be saved. And once the item is successfully saved on the server, you will get a message saying that item has been successfully created, and you will start seeing that item in your available item list on the app. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, do write to us. We will provide the email address in the description of the video. Thank you for your time. Happy selling on Localmrkt app.